Hello everyone, MPX Autos Jam. How are you today? In this video, we're going to share about how we actually did the upgrade of the LED super wide high performance for the low beam headlight in the Toyota RAV4 2014, which belong to the 2014 and 2018 generation. The car comes with the factory design of the low beam projector lights, so it is really nice setup, ready to get the LED upgrade glow kit over here. So what we did here is that you can see it. Look at the back of the right side headlight here. We actually need to twist this cover off, okay, just anti-clockwise about 1/4 of the rotation, and this one will be okay to come out. And after that, unclip the port behind the glove and twist anti-clockwise to remove the halogen factory glove, which actually it is here. The factory glove looks like this, okay, and you can see it is here, silver near HP3U9005. okay, that one is the one that actually stay right here before, and what you did is you anti-clockwise twist it and pull it out and unplug the cable, plug our system in, put in the right place, and close the plastic cover and clockwise lock it. It will come back to the original place. So the same thing you actually do for the other side, the left side of the car, which you can see here. You actually want to twist this one anti-clockwise down 1/4 of the rotation, and then you pull it out again, unclip the power clip from the halogen glove, and then twist anti-clockwise the glove and pull it out, and then put our new system in and lock it in, and clockwise put it back together. That's the way. Not difficult, but be gentle and you will get to the point. And now look at this. This is the new LED glove, high performance, and with the proper design of the projector light, it actually pull out the lights like this, which is sharp, clear, and white, and nice. And we already checked to the right portion of the lights and right position of the lights, so it will be all good. It won't affect to the front driver, and it won't affect to the other oncoming traffic, but give the benefit to the driver with a better light, better white light, and clear and clean. Okay, so that's about how we actually fit the LED system in the Toyota RAV4, and hopefully you like it. See how clear, how sharp, and how white it is. It's so much better now. Okay, so much better. You can see it, so much better in the night time. Okay, thanks again for watching, and hoping to see you on another one. If you want to know about that system, the premium 9-inch setup with the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, please look at another video we have right next to this video. Thank you, and see you then.